Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufemi Michael. I'm a data analytics instructor. Today I'll be showing you another method of calculating sum, average, maximum, and then count. Now, if you want to calculate your sum as an Excel user, what you will need to do is to type your equal sign and then your function sum, right? And then you will select your column and hit your enter. Then you will know the total monthly income applicable. If you want to know the average, the count, yes, the average, the count, and the maximum. Now this case, I'm not typing out the function this time. Now this is the method. Now what I want to do is to know the total monthly income, the average income, the maximum, and the number of rows, which means I'm going to make use of my count from January to December. So what I will need to do is to highlight from row 2 to row 13. Under your worksheet, you will see the average income, which is $3,000, and the number of rows 12 from row 2 to row 13. The maximum income here $3,000, and the total monthly income is 36,000 US dollars. Quick, good. So I hope you've learned something again today. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to be able to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.